Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chip and today we're doing a new box. So I subscribe to a snacking box. I absolutely love to snack and pick at things throughout the day. So I was like, I need to make healthier choices. So I saw this online and I thought it would be interesting to try. So this is the Graze monthly subscription box and it's basically snacks that they send you every month. And so if you're interested to see what kind of goodies you can get in a Graze box, then stay tuned and let's get into this snacking video because I'm a little peckish and I'm ready to graze. Get it? Graze. Is basically a snacking box and I'm looking online here to give you some more information. So what their main purpose and what they want to provide are basically healthier snacks for people to snack on throughout the day. They say that they won't compromise on taste, that everything in here is healthy and delicious, and they have over 100 delicious wholesome creations for you to try. And so how it works, you go onto their website, you can personalize your account based on what kind of things you like. So for myself, I said that I did not want anything that was mint or dark chocolate. And then you can rate different snacks and then they send you a box. So the great thing was when I signed up, I did get a free box to try and all I had to pay was $1. So this is my first $1 box, which I think is awesome. So I'll put all the pricing options down in the description box below, along with more information and links to their website if you are interested. But let's get into my first sampler box. So when I open it, this is what I see. It says Graze here at the top. And here are my snacks and it gives me some pamphlet here that just gives more information about the grazing box. And then the second pamphlet here says, hello Chippo, welcome to Graze. So I've received, this is my sampler box and I can go back on the website and personalize even further. And here I have been given 4 coupon codes. I will link these down below if you're interested. And if you do use my code, you will get your first and your 5th Graze box free. So that is awesome. So yeah, so go down below in the description box and check out all the information that I've left for Graze if you are interested. And here are the 4 snacks that I was provided in my sampler pack. And on the back, it does give you all of the nutrition facts as well, which I think is fabulous. So let's go ahead and open this up and give these a try. I'm about to have to head to the gym, so these will be a nice pre-snack. The first snack that I'm pulling out, these are apple cinnamon flapjacks. So these are rustic rolled oat flapjacks with apple and cinnamon. And these are whole grain. So these are the apple cinnamon jacks. Oh, that's good. Wow. Okay. So it's a very soft texture. It reminds me of oatmeal because it is rolled oats. But yeah, I'm definitely getting apple and cinnamon. Oh, I could eat these all day. These are delicious. Oh, okay. So if you like a nice, it's not overly sweet either, but if you like an oatmeal raisin cookie, this is exactly what it tastes like. That nice, soft, gooey texture. And you do get 3 of them in this little snack pack, which is nice. Oh, that tastes so good. Yeah, I'm down for that. Okay, so I would rate that a 10 out of 10. I absolutely love that. That definitely could also be a pre-workout or a post-workout snack. Love it. Love it. Okay. So the next thing I'm pulling out, this is the sweet rhubarb jam. And this is rhubarb slices, apples, and cranberries. So this is what it looks like. And it's just an assortment of sorts. I don't think I've ever tried rhubarb. If you guys have, let me know in the comments what you guys think of it. But this is basically, I'm trying not to like let it all fall out, but this is basically what it looks like right here. So you got some apples, some rhubarb here. Okay, so let's just try one of each. I think this is apple. All right, so this is the apple piece. Tastes like dried apple, which is good. And then you have cranberries. Okay. And the one thing I haven't ever tried is rhubarb, so I'm curious and frightened at the same time, but I have never tried rhubarb. I'm 50-50. It's not overly sweet, which is nice. This definitely, the sweet rhubarb jam snack, this pack, this would be for your sweet tooth. Everything in here is sweet. Not overly sweet, but it is for those moments where you're like, I just want, instead of candy, you can reach for this, basically. The rhubarb is okay. I'll just have to give this more of a try. And it says that you will get a good dose of fiber with this snack. But yeah, the apples and the cranberries tasted just fine. I do love me some dried apple and cranberry. So for that snack, I would give it an 8 out of 10. The rhubarb is just like, but yeah, I'll keep eating it throughout the week and see if I fall in love with rhubarb. So the next snack here, this is the natural vanilla seeds. So it's vanilla pumpkin and sunflower seeds. Now that is interesting, and you get a good dose of vitamins and minerals. But here we are. So these are the vanilla seed snacks. So again, you have a mixture of pumpkin and sunflower seeds, and they look to be coated. So let's just do a nice little handful, and we'll do a mixture of both. Oh yeah. Okay. This is good. This is really good. So when I was a kid, I used to love eating sunflower seeds. Ate them all the time, and this is just giving me like flashbacks to those days. But the pumpkin seeds, usually I don't like pumpkin seeds just regular or roasted, but I think just that like nice sweetness hint of that vanilla is really making me fall in love with pumpkin seeds. So this is a really nice snack. I would definitely give this a 10 out of 10. I like the crunchiness that it gives, and honestly, this is just a great snack. Great snack. Okay. So the last snack that is in the Graze box, and again, this is my sampler, so I had 4 sampler snacks. This is the cinnamon pretzel. So it's pretzels and cinnamon honey almonds, and you get a good dose of vitamins and minerals. And this is what it looks like. So you see the pretzels and some almonds in there. I'm a pretzel fan. I love carbs. I love anything that has carbs. So you have your pretzel. I love pretzels. You're good. All right. And then you have the cinnamon honey almond. Yep. That's a good combo. So you get like the saltiness from the pretzel, and then you get a nice like cinnamon sweet honeyed flavor from the almond, but it's an all crunchy snack. So that is pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10. It didn't like wow my mind, but it was still really good. So 9 out of 10 for the cinnamon pretzel. So let's rate the snacks from my most favorite to my least favorite and see if you guys can guess also. So my ultimate first favorite snack out of the Graze box would have to be the natural vanilla seed snack. I absolutely love the flavor of this. I love the texture. It's both crunchy and sweet. Yeah, so this definitely is my number one. My number two is the apple cinnamon flapjacks. I love the like gooey texture, the softness, the flavor. This definitely reminds me of oatmeal cookies, which are my second favorite cookie ever. So yeah, I definitely love this. So my third favorite snack would have to be the cinnamon pretzels. These are really good. Of course I love pretzels, but I like that it was like a salty, sweet mixture. And then my least favorite, but still it was okay, but it's out of the four, I would have to say this was my least favorite. This would be the sweet rhubarb jam. I just think that this was just too overly sweet for my preference, and I'm not so sure about the rhubarb yet. I'll definitely keep eating this throughout the week. I am actually very impressed with this Graze box, and I can't wait to see what my full size box will be. But yeah, if you guys are interested in this, of course I've left everything in the description box. And if you do have this box, let me know what you guys got for the month of April and how are you liking your box so far. So thanks for tuning in to see what kind of snacks I will be grazing on for the next couple of weeks. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. If you guys are interested on the eye look that I'm wearing today, I did film this using the new Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette, which I will leave linked in this video and also in the description box. So make sure to check that out if you want to see how I created it. And I also used a liquid lipstick to cut the crease. What? Yes, I tried it and it worked great.